right, everyone, stations. Let's get these masks moving.
Check the stamps on bale 7. Yes, sir, moving it now. Mind the crane.
Check the bevel on this one. It looks slightly off-center.
Agreed. Set this one aside for return.
Kit verified. All components present. Stamp approved. Get this moving to assembly. The threaded brass port is secured and tightened with a torque wrench. Each connection is then rigorously tested by hand.
We need to move the large masks now. The assembly line is waiting for them.
Inside the booth, the automated system applies an even coat of olive drab. This protective layer resists corrosion. Girls. The mechanical lungs simulate various breathing rates to measure resistance. As long as the gauge stays within the
49, 50.
50 recorded for batch 49er Alpha. Moving to assembly line 3.
I need another 50 of the crown straps.
I'm sealing the last batch now.
The internal retaining rings are pressed over the lens edges from inside the mask, securing the gas-tight seal.
Ensuring every gas mask is accompanied by the information needed to use it correctly when seconds count.
This comprehensive testing regime ensures every mask meets the highest life-saving standards before deployment.
This mask has undergone simulated aging equivalent to 5 years in storage.
We check the rubber for any
Rate your perceived exertion level.
Towards the end there, I was at about an 8. The airflow felt restricted during peak exertion.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Call sign, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie.
The camouflage netting is secure. Repeat, secure the area. Move out.
The narrow face showed slight infiltration, indicating an incomplete seal, while the average proportioned face achieved.
This testing determines how long filters protect, establishing replacement schedules and usage limits to ensure users are always protected.
These chambers simulate the harshest battlefield environments on Earth. We push the limits of the gear, because failure in the field is not an option.
Here are the authorization papers for the inspection.
Welcome, Colonel. We are ready for your review.
The random table indicates this column.
All right, grab batch 42 Lima. You too, bring that down now.
This valve cover has an irregularity. It fails the inspection.
Noted. We will isolate the lot.
The tested batches meet military specifications. They are approved for acceptance and authorized for shipment. Manifest for shipment 704. All crates accounted for and sealed.
Markings checked. Documentation is in order. Sign here for acceptance.
Ensure the FIFO rotation is strictly followed for the 2024 batch.
Yes, ma'am. Already logged.
The systematic replacement program extends the life of these serviceable mask bodies, ensuring filter protection remains current.
Get those crates loaded now! Sir, we have an issue with the manifest at Bay 3. Resolve it, move faster. We made the target time, good drill.
Ensure a tight seal across the bridge of the nose. Practice donning these nightly.
What if we are outdoors when the sirens sound?
Seek cover immediately and mask up. Store the mask in its canvas bag with the silica gel. As you can see, extreme temperatures degrade the rubber, making regular...
Morales, size medium. Yes, Sergeant. Remember, masks must be carried at all times in forward areas. Gas! Gas! Mask! Get down! Get down! Move! Move! Move!
There we are, nice and secure. Keep this accessible by your bedside at all times.
Keep moving, quickly now! Down to the shelter! Make sure your masks are sealed.
Masks are removed last. They protect your breathing throughout the process. The proper sequence prevents exposure during decontamination itself.
We are falling behind schedule on Sector 4.
We diverted resources to the roof trusses, Colonel. We'll catch up by Tuesday.
Align the casing exactly like this.
Production on this line is up 20%. Excellent work, ladies.
We hit 92% output on the mask line today, but we had a snag with the respirator seals. Materials are holding steady for your shift.
We're falling behind on line 3, Supervisor.
All right, redirect Miller and Johnson over there now. We have to hit this target.
We need that rubber shipment expedited immediately. Our stocks are critical.
This is the factory coordinator. I need priority routing for the metal components by noon.
It's a minor defect. It will likely function.
Likely isn't acceptable when lives depend on equipment. Every mask must meet full specifications.
The quality of your work gives our soldiers confidence in their equipment during chemical warfare drills.
That modification saves us 4 seconds per mask.
We can move the rivet press here.
Implement it across the line and update the documentation.
We've got a stoppage on press 3. Get down here immediately.
It's the main drive belt. We need a replacement, Stat.
I'm on it. We'll minimize the downtime.
Thanks to the tireless efforts of these dedicated workers, Britain is prepared. Our defense is strong, and our citizens are protected.
The thread specification on this canister is standard for all our models.
We must ensure complete interchangeability with...
With the war concluded, the massive wartime effort transitioned to an uncertain peace. Contracts were fulfilled.
The masks in Section 4 are past their service life. Mark those for immediate disposal.
Agreed. These green tags go directly to the climate-controlled facility.
These artifacts represent the massive industrial effort and the relief that the worst fears were never realized.